Hello, my dear artist friends. I want to talk to you about why I despise putting art on consignment. Every art gallery will require it, just about every art gallery. I've seen exceptions, but it's pretty rare. So let me tell you what consignment is, first of all. Putting your art on consignment means that you deliver your art to the place that's going to sell it, whether it's an art gallery or a restaurant, right? You deliver the art and there is no exchange of money unless or until the art is sold. So that art can sit in that art gallery for 6 months to a year. And if it never sells, you never get paid for it. And you may want to go back and pick it up if it sits for that long, because that means it's possibly not going to sell in that location. So why do I hate putting things on consignment? We get a lot of offers. We get a lot of offers from stores that want to carry Drew's art and hang it in their store, but not pay for it unless it sells. And we don't allow that. The reason we won't do that is because when art is on consignment, there is no incentive for the store to sell it, but it sure makes their walls look really nice. Number two, there's no incentive for them to protect it. So let's say it's hanging in a restaurant. What if food gets splashed on it or it gets bumped into? There's no incentive for them to keep it safe because they're not responsible for it. They don't lose the money, you do. And the third thing is there's no incentive for them to ever return it unless you come back and get it, keeping their walls looking really nice. So when a store asks us to put art on consignment, we actually have a program for them. And this is what I will tell them. I've got a retail program. Here's what you can do. You can buy art prints from us at wholesale prices. Wholesale is half the price it's sold for retail. You can hang it on your wall. And if one of your customers comes in and wants to buy it, we will print another one and ship it directly to your customer. That's called drop shipping. Now you have to pay us first and then give us your customer's address, of course, and then we will print it and we will ship it directly to your customer. And I've got a few stores doing this right now and it works great. I love it. They have to pay for their first batch that's going on the wall, and they do, and they pay 50%. When a customer comes in and buys from them, the customer's paying retail to the store. The store is paying wholesale to me. So let's say it's $1,000 print. The store sells it to the customer for $1,000. They pay me 500. I ship the print out to the customer. So both the store makes 500 off of it and I make 500 in gross revenues off of it. It's a win-win-win for everyone. So that's what I prefer to do rather than consignment. I hope this video helped. Drop me a comment, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments, have you put your art on consignment? Has it worked out for you? Let me know. I'd love to hear your stories on this. And hey, while you're down there in the comments, click the link in the description to get on my inner circle list. My inner circle list is free and you get a ton of information and lots of forms and tools that you can use in your art business. I hope this helped somebody out there. Love ya. Mean it. Ciao.